Assalamualaikum. Good morning, my dear students. How are you? I hope all of you fine. I'm also good. I'm Shahriya Tasnim Billah, Assistant Teacher English, St. Xavier's High School, Khulna. Today, I'm gonna take online class on behalf of St. Xavier's High School, Khulna. And today, I'm gonna take English second paper class of class 9. So, my dear students, you already learned about degree, and today it is the review class. So let's start our class. Changing degree. Today we are going to learn changing degree. Okay. In our English grammar, adjective have 3 kinds of degree. What are they? They are positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. And what are they? What are the definition of them? So let's take a look at the board. First on positive degree. Positive degree, the state of an adjective indicating simple quality without comparison. That means adjective এর সেই অবস্থাটা যেটা দিয়ে কোনো ব্যক্তি বা বস্তুর শুধুমাত্র গুণটাকে প্রকাশ করবে without comparison, কোনো রকম তুলনা ছাড়া. Next, comparative degree. Comparative degree কি? The form of an adjective when comparing two things. যখন দুইটা জিনিসের মধ্যে কোনো তুলনা করা হবে সেটাকে আমরা কি বলছি? Comparative degree. Okay, next, superlative degree. The superlative degree compares more than two things to show which has the least or greatest degree of quality. So superlative degree টা কি? দুইয়ের বেশি ব্যক্তি বা বস্তুর মধ্যে তুলনা বোঝাতে কোনটা সবচেয়ে শ্রেষ্ঠ বা কোনটা সবচেয়ে নিকৃষ্ট এটা বোঝাতে আমরা যে ডিগ্রিটা ব্যবহার করব সেটা কি? সুপারলেটিভ ডিগ্রি. Okay, now that's all the definition. Now in your exam, what you have to do? You have to change degree, positive to superlative, positive to comparative, same way, superlative, comparative, positive change. Now you will learn some rules how to do positive to superlative, positive to comparative. Okay, let's start. I'll show some short rules for changing degree. My dear students, write with me. First, positive degree. First, write down with me. Positive, comparative, and superlative. Okay, positive form, no other. Write down no other. It's a singular form. I write down the short form of singular. And very few, plural. Comparative, than any other. It is the singular form. then most other. Then most other, it is the plural form. Plural form. And superlative, the superlative adjective. It is the singular form. One of the superlative adjective. It is the plural form. Now, that's the main thing you have to remember it. Now, let's take an example. In your grammar book, you can get 3 degrees: positive, comparative, superlative. Such an example: good. It is the positive form, and comparative form is better. Next, superlative: best. I'll write down another words for you. Brighter. First one, bright. Bright is the positive form. Next, comparative form, brighter. And superlative form, brightest. Brightest. Now let's take an example. Very few. Write down with me. Very few. Very few girls in the class are as good as Meena. And you have to do it superlative. I'll write down the short form of superlative, SUP. Okay, my dear student, notice it very carefully. First, in your exam, you will get such kind of sentence. And here there will be write down superlative. So, first you have to understand what kind of degree it is. The sentence starts with very few. Okay, very few. So we can tell, through this rule, we can tell it is the positive degree, right? একটু খেয়াল করো, বাংলায় বলছি, এই যে সেন্টেন্সটা দেওয়া আছে, সেন্টেন্সটা কোন ডিগ্রিতে আছে আমরা কিভাবে বুঝবো? আমরা একটা রুল লিখেছি, পজিটিভের মধ্যে নো আদার সিঙ্গুলার, পজিটিভের মধ্যে ভেরি ফিউ প্লুরাল। তাহলে এই ভেরি ফিউটা আমরা বুঝতে পারছি পজিটিভে আছে এবং এটা অবশ্যই প্লুরালে আছে। ওকে, সো we have to do it positive to superlative. Now, what is the rule? What is the structure? Structure or rule? At first, I'll write down the structure. Then you can easily do it. Subject plus auxiliary verb or helping verb. Auxiliary verb. Subject plus auxiliary verb. then the superlative adjective or one of the superlative adjective or one of the superlative adjective plus object. Okay, next rest. If there is something, you have to write down it. Okay, what is the subject in this sentence? Can you tell? Subject, what is subject? Subject টা কি? Subject টা হচ্ছে কর্তা বা কোনো ব্যক্তির উল্লেখ থাকবে যে কাজটা করবে. So in this sentence we can tell Meena is the subject. Meena টা হচ্ছে কি? Subject. So I'll write down Meena. Meena. Next, auxiliary verb. You have to notice it very carefully. In this sentence, which tense is it? Which tense? This is the present tense. Of course, it is present tense. Eta hocche ki present tense. But my dear students, look at the sentence Meena. Meena ta ki? Meena ta hocche singular. So Meenar pore কখনোই আমরা আর বসাবো না. Meenar পরে কি হবে? Is. So Meena is. Now it is the singular form and it is the plural form. That means the sentence we have already got it. It is the plural form. Already আমরা এটা পেয়েছি যে এই very few টা কি plural form. So I will take the plural form. Meena is. এটুকু আমরা কি করব? বাদ দিব. এটুকু বাদ দিয়ে এটুকু নিব. যেহেতু এটা plural form এ আছে, very few টা plural, so আমরা এটা কি নিব? Plural form টা নিব. Meena is one of the. Meena is one of the. Next, superlative adjective. That means adjective form of superlative. What is it? It is the best. That means here good is the adjective. এই অ্যাডজেক্টিভটার সুপারলেটিভ ফর্মটা আমরা নিব. এই গুড অ্যাডজেক্টিভের সুপারলেটিভ ফর্ম. সুপারলেটিভ ফর্মটা কি হবে? বেস্ট. One of the best. Next, object. Girls rest in the class. In the class. Isn't it easy? It is very, very easy. You have to remember the rule carefully. Then it will be easy for you. Next, I'll write down another example. That means you will get plural example. And now I'll show you singular form. What is it? Okay, you have to write down it fully. I can erase it because it is in the board. So write down with me. No other girl in the class is as good as Meena. Same way you have to do it superlative. So at first you have to look at what type of degree it is. এটা কোন ডিগ্রিটা আছে? নো আদার দেখে আমরা বুঝে ফেলছি কি এটা পজিটিভ ডিগ্রি এন্ড সিঙ্গুলার ফর্ম. positive degree singular form এ আছে. So we have to follow this rule except this one. এইটুকু বাদ দিয়ে আমরা বাকি সবটুকু ফলো করব. যখন প্লুরাল থাকবে that means very few থাকলে প্লুরাল, প্লুরাল থাকলে এইটুকু নিব, এইটুকু বাদ দিব. আর যখন সিঙ্গুলার ফর্ম থাকবে নো আদার, তখন কি করব, প্লুরাল ফর্মটা অমিট করব আর সিঙ্গুলার ফর্মটা নিব. ওকে, নাও সাবজেক্ট সেম ওয়ে, সাবজেক্ট মিনা, অক্সিলারি ফর্ম সেম ওয়ে is. Next, singular form, that means the superlative adjective, only the. Next আমাদের কি আছে, অ্যাডজেক্টিভটা কি আছে, good, in superlative form, that means best. Now girl in the class, girl in the class. Okay, my dear students, I hope you get the rules properly. If you follow this rule, you can do it easily, positive to superlative. In your exam, you will get this type of sentence, that means only sentence and bracket keep up what you have to do. Now second one, that means second rule. Let's take another example. Positive. Now we will do positive to comparative. Okay, I will write down it. Positive to comparative. Example. Very few boys in the class are as bright as Ronnie. So you have to do it comparative. You have to do it comparative. Structure. You have to do it comparative, and very few, it is the plural form. So write down the structure with me. After that you will get the answer. Subject plus same way auxiliary verb plus comparative degree plus then plus any other or most other, any other or most other plus object. At first, subject. What is the subject? Same way, Ronnie is the subject here. So Ronnie auxiliary verb same way is, it is the singular, Ronnie singular, so you have to use is. Ronnie is. Next, comparative degree. Okay, Ronnie is, okay, if we write down good, what will be it? Ronnie is better. Okay, and if there is bright, it will be brighter. Okay, bright, then brighter. Ronnie is better than, next than, and it is the singular form, same way it is the plural form. Any other singular and same way most other plural. So then after that you have to use, very good, as it is a plural form you have to use most other. Then most other, next object, voice in the class. Same way you have to do the another rule. Okay, my dear students, I don't have enough time today. Hope to see you tomorrow, and I'll show you the next rule, the rest rule tomorrow. So goodbye. No more today.